This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the environment and gear so tracking fixes are meaningful. First, power and charge both controllers and headset above 50%. Low power skews sensors. Next, clear the room of mirrors, shiny floors, and moving objects because infrared reflections confuse the cameras. Once done, wipe the headset lenses and external cameras with a microfiber cloth to remove smudges. Make sure the headset fits snugly. Loose fit shift sensors. Then restart the headset to apply the clean state before calibration. Now you perform the detailed recalibration sequence to correct tracking. Open the settings and run the room setup and Guardian recalibration so the system relearns boundaries and floor level. At the same time, adjust lighting. Aim for even, indirect illumination. Bright windows or spotlights create noise. Repair each controller and follow any on-screen controller calibration to sync IMU and camera data. If the headset offers a tracking reset or advanced sensors menu, use it now. These steps realign. Finish by validating tracking performance and knowing the last resorts. You should test in a basic environment or calibration app and slowly walk your play area to confirm the headset keeps accurate position. Make fine adjustments to straps and IPD while testing. Small changes can remove jitter. If issues persist after lighting and repairing, perform a factory reset as a last resort because it clears firmware glitches. If tracking still fails, remove more reflective surfaces or contact vendor support. Tell them what you tried and include error behavior for faster help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.